If you're looking for the best rock lights, here's a collection you've got to see. Let's get started. At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals. Number 1, Best Overall. Mictioning 2nd Gen RGB LED Rock Lights. This set by Mictioning includes 8 RGB rock lights that are controlled via an app, and are designed to be super easy to install. This kit includes 2 different types of mounting pads, which make wiring and mounting easier, and via Mictioning's app downloadable via QR code you're able to adjust speed, brightness, and strobe speed. In addition to these features, there's a mode for syncing the lights to your favorite tunes, making your journey all the more fun. Mictioning's lights are perfect for off-roading, cars, motorcycles, boats, and interior lights. They're also encased in sturdy aluminum and shock-proof glass, and are resistant to impact, water intrusion, dust, dirt, and mud. Pros: Bluetooth controlled. Suitable for trucks, cars, boats, and motorcycles. Made from die-cast aluminum and toughened glass. Dust-proof, rust-proof, and waterproof. Cons: Brightness could be improved. App integration is spotty. Control box and wiring gets hot due to being 24 volts. Number 2. Senpai RGB LED Rock Light Kit. This option by Senpai is immensely fun, mostly for just one reason: you can change colors on a whim. There are other features though, as the LEDs have a life of 50,000 hours, so there's a very good chance that they'll never burn out, and they throw off 500 lumens of light, are made of solid, die-cast aluminum and toughened glass. This means they have a better chance at surviving an impact with obstacles on the trail. These lights are also configured via a convenient app that works with both Android and iPhone, and via this app, you can change the color of the lights or make them blink, fade, or gradually change between colors for a unique off-roading experience. Going one further, they possess a special timing function, as well as a music mode function, which allows you to sync the lights with music. They're the perfect addition to your truck, car, boat interior, ATV, UTV, motorcycle, and more. Pros: App controlled. Seemingly unlimited color and blinking functions. Tough construction. Cons: App integration isn't the best. Wiring length can be limited. Control box can have issues. Number 3. Automot 4 Pods LED Rock Light Kit. As far as a solid, no-frills, budget-minded option goes, this kit by Automot is hard to beat. While this kit may not provide a bunch of customizable color and lighting mode options, the white LED rock lights contain 3 CRE LEDs each, which illuminates the undercarriage of your vehicle. They're manufactured with a tough, die-cast aluminum shell with toughened glass, and can handle any weather conditions. They're also water dash, shock dash, dust dash, and rust proof. This kit has been manufactured with a universal fit, which means that it's suitable for all makes and models of vehicles, including motorcycles, boats, SUVs, golf carts, ATVs, UTVs, and more. Use these lights to illuminate off-road trails, or even as an interior or reverse light. If you're not entirely happy with the product, then the company is happy to offer a 1-year money-back guarantee. Pros: Set of 4 white LED lights. Suitable for trucks, cars, boats, motorcycles, and more. Made from die-cast aluminum. Dust-proof, rust-proof, and waterproof. Money-back guarantee. Cons: Only one color option though, that isn't an issue for a good percentage of buyers. Number 4. Ampere Waterproof LED Neon Rock Lights. These white LED lights can be mounted absolutely anywhere, and provide great value and versatility for your money. For lights are included in the kit, and they provide a strong 9-watt light with a lifespan of 50,000 hours. They also have a universal fit, which means they're suitable for all makes and models. Mount them underneath your car's body, use them as off-roading lights to highlight the trail, or use them for your vehicle's interior. They're also designed to be boat, ATV, and UTV lights as well. They are made from tough materials, making these lights especially strong thanks to their die-cast aluminum outer shell that's engineered to withstand all weather conditions. Mounting hardware is included as well, which helps make installation a snap. Pros: 5 color options. Universal fit. Mount anywhere. Aluminum housing with good sealing. Good true color. Cons. Can be difficult for non-professionals to install. Wiring might not be long enough. No switch or relay included. Number 5. Imasantec RGB Rock Lights. Prospective buyers might feel overwhelmed by the amount of customization at their fingertips via the Bluetooth-connected app with the Imasantec set, as not only can you change the color of the LEDs, but also their brightness, color change frequency, speed at which the flash and pulse. They sync up with music too. One thing we found to be particularly fun is that the Kits app has a feature that allows you to literally shake your smartphone to create a random color effect. Neat. It's not all bright colors though, as these lights are made of a sturdy, heat-resistant construction for excellent durability, and can handle extensive off-roading thanks to being manufactured from aviation-grade aluminum with toughened glass, and a reinforced dual-polymer resin casing that is guaranteed to last. If you're not 100% happy with the product, the company will provide you with a money-back guarantee too, without hassle. Pros. Smartphone controlled. Unlimited color options. Change lights, speed, and frequency. Reinforced dual polymer resin casing. 1-year warranty. Cons. App connectivity issues over time. Bluetooth connection has a very short range. Wiring might be too short for certain applications. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.